Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have a Ford Explorer 2012-13 model, and this car have a problem. Fuel pump primary circuit fault code P0230. Okay, that's the problem. That's why car not start. When I reset fault code, then car start. Fault code in body control model P0230. Today I will show you why this P0230 fault code came and how you can solve this problem. Okay, see here, I try everything. I remove fuel pump, check, and I check fuse, all those things, body control, everything I check, but I didn't get fault. And then I got fault in here, this relay. When I remove this fuel pump relay, I see anybody before remove or something, I don't know. See, there is inside some crack. And when I remove this fuse box, remove this relay and try to start, same fault came, fuel pump primary circuit. When I fix and reset, car start. So if your car have same problem, check this relay or replace one relay, try. Okay, in my case, in this car I got fault in here. Okay, this is for fuel pump, Ford Explorer. Okay, thank you.